Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to outline a picture on Canva or how to put white outline on a picture on Canva. The first thing you want to do once on canva.com, you can do this on a thumbnail or anything like that. All you'll need is simply a photo that the background has been removed, so you can either download one from Google or you can use Canva Pro to remove the background of a photo. Once you have the photo, you're going to simply tap on Edit Image in the top left-hand corner right here. And from here, you're going to type in Shadows. And you'll select Shadows, as you can see right here. After selecting Shadows, you're going to tap on Glow. Once you have selected Glow, you're going to tap on the three lines in the Glow box. And I want you to carry the blur to 1. Then you're going to carry the transparency to 100. And right where you see the black box right here, you're going to tap on that. And you will change it to the outline color, which for this example is white. Then you're going to carry the size up to 8, or it all depends how big you want it, how big you want the outline to be. And that's it. After you're finished, you'll simply tap on Apply. And as you can see right there, this picture now has a white outline. You can also add a double outline if you want by simply tapping on the pic again. Then you'll tap on Edit Image and you'll tap on Shadow again. Then you're going to tap on Glow. Then you'll tap on the three lines. And again, you're going to tap right where you see the black. And for example, let's say I would like to add a blue outline also. I'll tap on Blue. Then I'll carry the blur again to 1. And I'll carry the transparency to 100. And then with this one, you can change the size as you can see right there. And as I'm increasing the size, you can see the blue glow around it, as you can see right there. And once it is to your liking, you'll simply tap on Apply and then you can save your changes. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.